Winter arc. You have seen it everywhere. This winter I am going to lock in. Winter I start now. Let's hit the gym. But let's be real. It's just not about the building a good body. Yes. Winter arc isn't just about lifting weights. It's about lifting yourself. When everyone else slow down, you choose to move different. When the world goes cold, you set on the fire. You stay on fire. This season isn't just about physical change. It's about the mental growth, emotional control, and discipline. The real winter arc is about disappearing for a while, not to prove others wrong, but to prove yourself right. It's about spending those long, silent nights learning and building and inspiring when no one's watching, when no one's clapping, when it's just you and your thoughts. Most people wait for the motivation to hit them, but the truth is, motivation doesn't come from anywhere real. It's born in silence, in struggle, in consistency. Winter is the perfect test because it's cold, lazy, and lonely. And that's exactly why it's building the strongest ones. This winter, don't just hit the gym, hit the mind. Hit your mind. Read that book, work on that project, fix your sleep cycle, cut out all the distraction, create that vision of you that unrecognizable by summer. By the time spring comes, people should look at you and say, "You, what happened to you?" And you will just smile. And because they will never understand the work you did in silence, the effort, the level of effort you did in silence, you put in silence. The real winter arc isn't about the cold outside, it's about the fire inside. So stop waiting for January 1st. Stop waiting for motivation. Start now. Because when everyone hibernating, you are evolving. Lock in, it's your season. Thank you.